Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to see your story archive on Facebook. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the activity log option. Tap on the archive option. Finally, tap on the story archive option to view all the stories you have archived over time. This is how you can see your story archive on Facebook. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.